88% of millionaires are self-made. They didn't inherit it. They built it, mostly through boring, repeatable habits. Here are 7 of them. Number 5 is the one almost nobody talks about. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. This single reversal changes everything. Most people spend first and save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Wealthy people flip it. The moment money arrives, a fixed percent is automatically invested. You live on the rest, and you never miss it. Habit 2. They kill lifestyle creep before it kills their wealth. When a raise hits, the spender upgrades the car, the apartment, the lifestyle, and stays broke at a higher salary. The builder banks half of every raise. Over a career, that habit alone is worth hundreds of thousands. Habit 3. They spend money on things that pay them back. An asset puts money in your pocket. Index funds, rental property, a business, valuable skills. A liability takes it out. The new car, the gadgets, the status purchases. The rich buy assets first, then let the assets buy the toys. Habit 4. They remove willpower from the equation entirely. Motivation fades. Systems don't. They automate their bills, their savings, and their investing. Every month, money moves to the right place without a decision. Discipline you only need once beats discipline you need every day. Habit 5. The one nobody talks about. You can only cut so much, but you can earn without limit. Budgeting might save you $100 a month. But a side income, a new skill, a promotion, those move the number by thousands. The wealthy obsess over raising income, then invest the difference instead of spending it. Habit 6. They play a long game while everyone else plays this weekend. They don't panic when the market dips or when progress feels slow. They think in decades. That patience is exactly what lets compound interest do its work. Time in the market is a habit, not a trick. Habit 7. They get rich once, and they refuse to go back. They keep a 6-month emergency fund, insure the big risks, avoid high-interest debt, and never gamble money they can't afford to lose. Getting rich is offense. Staying rich is defense. They master both. So there they are. Pay yourself first. Beat lifestyle creep. Buy assets. Automate. Grow income. Think in decades. Protect the downside. None of them are complicated. All of them compound. You don't need all 7 at once. Pick one and start today. Which one is it? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe for more numbers that change how you think about money. See you in the next one.